we're doing the IKEA challenge.
We're doing the IKEA challenge.
Sam's already planning our backstory, and I'm like, it's on you, because I can't lie. There she goes. Go, Sam, go. She looks really nice, too. The showrooms in this store look like photo sets. Sam and I are going to challenge ourselves to get some creative environmental portraits. I really love the colors in this one. Check it out. So I brought a 24 to 70, and I'm zooming a lot to avoid the signs. There's price tags on everything. Is that me? Swapping models.
What is that? I don't know. Pretend you're reading.
This is just so many sets. Such a good place to practice. Aside from having fun together, Sam taught me some great new poses I can use with myself and my models. Challenges like this are a fun way to learn and practice. Collaborating is life.
Send your right shoulder, yeah, there we go. Love it. Got it. Okay. On to the next one.
I love all the crazy looks we're getting. It's really... Will you sit in this chair?
Yeah.
The rooms are beautiful, but the lighting is challenging. Luckily, I love challenges. They force you to be creative and make something different. Sam looks like she's modeling in a home and garden magazine. Way to go, Sam. She just said that looks great. Oh, you can do everything. Sam found the spot with bright colors and saw past all of the signage and tags to get a final image that looks modern and cool.
I was more on my side, and then my foot brought my knee up. Oh, like that? Yeah. You can put your one of your hands up by your... No, I just wanted like a hand up on your... Yeah. Should we grab it? And a big like... Ha ha ha, laugh, laugh, laugh. Yep, got
it. This is a wall of samples, but it looks kind of cool at an angle, so we're just gonna try it. I like that pose, but can you come up more? Yes, and now put your back to it.
Yeah, that's exactly where I was going.
And I just want your jacket. I'm realizing directing someone that you know as a model is a great way to practice communicating. I can be kind of shy telling models what to do, but Sam, she's so easy to talk to.
Really good, a little bit. Actually, I want you further down now for this one. Yeah.
I think those are cool. So Sam told me about this cool spot, and if you go around the corner, there is a fake patio.
Would you like some tea?
That's crazy. This place is cool. Sam just found this great spot in a little nook over here. Look at that screen. It looks great. You have to look in the little nooks and crannies to find good spots. Okay, we did it. We ended in the rug section. I think we got some pretty good pictures. What do you think?
I think it was a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to see what these look like.
Me either. Let's go home and edit.
Oh, joy.